What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and I'm back with part 3 of my Canon G50 built-in microphone versus external microphones comparison tests short series. Today, I am testing or comparison this guy. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's the Yichuang YC-VM20 cardioid lavalier microphone. I hope you can see that really good. Well, I'm not going to get into all the technical specs of this. We're just doing a sound test. Technically, I mean, it's a cardioid mic, cardioid pattern. I hope you can see the lavalier right there. You know, you face the microphone towards you, it picks up. I think it's omnidirectional. No matter which way you turn the microphone, left or right, side by side, it's going to pick up. And I don't know where these chickens keep coming from, but they're always in my studio. But anyway, right now we are listening to the Canon G50 built-in microphone at 50% gain. Anything higher than that, it seems to be a little bit distorted. So I still think it sounds good. I think it sounds decent for a built-in microphone, but it's always good to compare your microphones to external microphones, because external microphones are supposed to be better, but are they really better? You know, is the Canon G50 built-in microphone good enough? Will it suffice? Your DSLR, is the microphone that's built in there good enough? Or even on your phone? A lot of equipment is stepping up, you know, as technology changes, as the years go by. You know, here we are in 2021. We survived 2020, here we are in 2021. And technology changes on a monthly basis, so maybe the audio that's coming through my Canon G50 sounds good. But before we go ahead and plug in this lavalier mic to do a direct comparison, a quick comparison, I just want to show you what this lavalier mic has feature-wise. There's a selector switch. I hope you can see that. I hope the lighting's good enough. There's a selector switch right here for your DSLR or camcorder in my case, and phone. You just switch it, and whatever's inside this barrel here will make the necessary adjustments to make sure that the audio is being recorded properly. Also, there's a low cut and a high pass filter. I think the last time I checked, to be quite honest, on my Canon G50, I liked it better with the high pass, but on my Panasonic VX870K, I actually like it with the low cut. So I'll switch between two here just to see what you guys think. Matter of fact, I'm about to plug it in just a second, but also I want to show you, which is also good for this lavalier mic, is if you're filming somebody at a great distance, look at all this excess cable. I mean, this is a lot of cable. I forget what it says in the package, but off the top of my head, it's got to be at least 10, maybe 12 feet of cable, maybe more. It's a lot of cable, but I keep it coiled up because I'm not doing any filming right now, other than in the studio or around my my place, my home. But in the future, when I do, if I'm filming somebody at a distance, that excess cable will come in handy. So anyway, enough of me talking on this Canon G50 microphone. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in with the DSLR selected camcorder, and I'm going to start off at high pass, make the switch, and then we're going to go ahead and switch to low pass and see if you notice a discernible difference, if you like the difference. And just to note, just to be fair, just to be completely transparent, when I plugged in this microphone, I had the Canon G50 preamp set at 50%. It made this mic distort terribly. So what I did was I dropped the level to 25% for the plug-in lavalier. So hopefully you'll get some smooth, clear audio, and you can try to make a determination on which one you like best. So here comes the lavalier. What's up, everybody? Let me check my levels. Yep, everything is at 25% now. This is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and let me double check again. Yep, we have the high pass filter on. How does this sound? Do I sound natural? Hopefully I don't sound distorted. Do I sound good to you? Do I sound better than the Canon G50? Or do you like it with the low pass filter? How does it sound with the low pass filter? What do you think? Like I said, in my Panasonic VX870K, that guy right there, I tend to like it better with the low pass. Maybe it's something about the way the preamps are built, but with this one, high pass is going back on. I kind of like it better with the high pass. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and I hope you consider subscribing, because I want to say, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 microphones that I'm going to go ahead and test through this little short series. So if you subscribe, you get to go ahead and see all the microphones that I test and make your determination. Hopefully I can help you make a determination on which microphone you're considering purchasing, if you're considering purchasing, or hopefully my test will let you determine if you actually like the sound that's coming from your camcorder or DSLR, or if you think you should use an external microphone. Completely up to you. I'm just trying to help you make that decision. I've made my decision, and if you follow my series, if you subscribe and follow my series, by the time I get to the last video, you'll know what decision I've made. So anyway, this is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media. Hopefully I helped you make a decision. Hopefully you subscribed and come back to see the rest of the series, and I'll see you in the next video.